f and g are functions such that f of x is the square root of 3x minus 9 and g of x is 3x squared minus 2. Find f of 12, giving you an answer in the form a root a, where a is an integer. Find fg of x and then solve gf of x of b is equal to minus 5. Okay, so we got the function f of x is the square root of 3x minus 9. We were asked to find f of 12, so that means everywhere there's an x in here, I replace it with 12. So we get the square root of 3 times 12 minus 9. 3 12s are 36, so we get the square root of 36 minus 9. And 36 minus 9 is 27. Okay, we want to simplify the surd. This is what's going to ask us to be. Now, the highest square number that will go into 27 is 9. That's what you need to look. So we'll rewrite this as the square root of 9 times 3. And we know the square root of 9 is 3. And then so the answer will be 3 root 3. That's now in the form of a root a, where a is an integer. In this case, a is 3. Right, to find fg of x, this is a composite of two functions. So we want fg of x, that means first g, second f. So what you need to do is take that f and write that there. And then in here, next to here, you need to write in g. So brackets 3x squared minus 2. Right, now everywhere in f there's an x. You now replace it with a 3x squared minus 2. So this becomes equal to the square root of 3 times my x, which is now 3x squared minus 2, minus 9. Multiplying this out, so we just simplify this now. We've got square root of 9x squared minus 6 minus 9, and then minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15, so we've got the square root of 9x minus 15. Can't really do anything more with that. Right, now to solve gfb of x, well, first of all, we'll find gf of x. A similar sort of thing. First f, second g. So we're going to write down g. Okay, and then here we're going to put in f. So square root of 3x minus 9. And then we'll look at g. Everywhere there is an x, we'll replace it with the square root of 3x minus 9. So it becomes 3 times my value of x is the square root of 3x minus 9, and that's all squared, minus 2. Now, if you take the square root of something and then square it, then you'll get back to what you started with. So this now becomes 3 times 3x minus 9 minus 2. We now expand the brackets, so we're going to get 9x minus 27 minus 2, and that becomes 9x minus 29. So what we're going to solve is the equation 9x minus 29 is equal to minus 5. But instead of using x, we're going to use b, because that means put a b in it. So it would come 9b minus 29 is equal to minus 5. Adding 29 to both sides, we're going to get 9b is going to be minus 5 plus 29, which is 24. Dividing by 9, we're going to get that b is 24 divided by 9. B is going to be 8 over 3 when you cancel down by 3. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use composite functions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.